everyone, this is me, Zarina Alexandra Mendoza, or La Voz Emperatriz, for my CVAP testimonial. So, my gosh, I don't know what to say. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung uunahin ko. There's a lot to say, there's a lot to share, but the entire experience itself, parang it's more than what I have imagined. I mean, during my intro video, I said it. I feel so surreal because it's finally happening. It's a dream, and now na ito, alam mo yun, yung parang it's already the final video that I'm gonna be making for this specific journey of mine. Tapos testimonial. I mean, hindi ko kasi alam kung anong sasabihin. I mean, kung saan ako mag-start. Okay, so wait lang, ang gulo. Let me fix my thoughts first. Sorry. Okay, first, sobrang bait and sobrang approachable ng lahat. And hindi dito yung parang kung sino lang yung magaling, kung sino lang yung ganito, ganyan. Parang lahat talaga tututukan. And they will allow you to grow. They will allow you to find your strength. And they will really touch your heart in a way that you never expected. Kasi akala mo, it's just a workshop. It's just for your talent. Pero the way they touch the lives of the people na nag-enroll and naging part ng CVAP, grabe. Parang, alam mo, masashake yung core mo to remind you for a better purpose na it's not just your talent. Okay? It's not just to showcase your talent. It's not just for earning. You need to use your voice for a beautiful purpose. Yung ganun, parang, wow, thank you. And sobrang inspirational lahat ng nagtotalk. Lahat ng every part of CVAP is just so inspirational and just so admirable. And I can't find the right words to really express how grateful I am kasi I was able to find my family. Kasi, okay, so I keep on saying like sa previous video ko na it's a story for another day, although I'm not gonna be sharing a lot. So, I really don't have a family. I mean, I do, they're still alive. It's just that it's not a family to begin with. Okay? I did not grow up with a mom or a dad. I was most likely abandoned. They chose their lives. They chose their lives without me. Parang, yeah, they're not married. Okay, so that's too personal. Wait. Okay. It's just that growing up, I don't have a support system. Growing up, I have no one to be really there for me, to really support the things that I wanted to do. So, naging mahiyain ako because I feel like I'm not good enough. I feel like no one's gonna be proud of me. Well, alam mo yun, yung kahit anong gawin mong effort, parang hindi sila magiging masaya. And then, parang nung nag-share si Sir Navi about his experience, I said, oh, okay, so it's not just me. So, hindi lang pala ako yung nakakaranas ng parang sunod-sunod na depression and all. Kasi yun din yung pinagdaraanan ko, all this whole process. Parang, alam mo yun, yung parang it's so good, pero at the same time, hindi mo siya ma-process kasi andun yung doubts mo sa sarili mo. Andun yung doubts ko sa sarili ko na parang feeling ko, I'm not good enough. And that I may never be good enough. Like, alam niya ng iba kong friends, especially yung closest friend ko, my best friend, si Martin, alam niya yan kung paano ako magdrama every week na lang, na parang feeling ko, oh my gosh, I'm not enough, you guys are so good, parang ang hirap bumilong, parang feeling ko, teka, deserve ko ba maging part nito, parang wala naman ako ibubuga, parang I don't have what it takes, I don't have, like, as in, grabe yung pag-overthink ko noon. Ang daming pumasok sa isip ko and parang feeling ko, hala, parang hindi ko kakayanin kasi, ewan ko, ang daming gumugulo. Pero sabi nga ni Mentor Gracia, sabi niya, or maybe it was, yeah, sabi ng mga mentors na to always go back sa kung ano yung reason mo, kung bakit ka nag-join, kung ano yung pinanghahawakan mo, kung bakit ka nandito. And that itself is like parang, alam mo yun, enough reason to hold on. And aside from that, yun nga, nagkaroon ako ng family dito. The friends na nakilala ko, yung newfound friends, parang we found a family in one another. Kasi we all have our stories, we have our different stories, and grabe yung squad na nahanap ko dito sa CVAP, talagang ang solid. Alam mo, parang hindi mo aakalain na parang ang bilis namin mag-connect, yung the way our mind works, the way our mind synchronizes, grabe. And wala lang, parang sobrang nakakamelt lang, parang okay. So sabi ko, itong CVAP talagang grabe yung nagagawa nito sa tao. Hindi, it's so alam mo yung 1 month lang siya, pero sobrang life-changing. And yung lasting changes is for lifetime. Like, hindi ko sure kung ano yung magiging sunod namin na magiging journey. But we know that it has planted something deep within us, within our core talaga. And I know it will bloom to a beautiful thing. So, yun lang. Basta I'm just grateful for everyone, for Sir Pocholo, for the secretariats, for everyone na bumubuo ng CVAP. Maraming thank you po. Like a million thanks. Sa groupmates ko, sa voicemates, sa friends ko, sa mentors, everyone na nag-help sa amin, sa mga friends ko, and sa everyone na nag-help, especially sa batch recital. Oh my gosh, it's a very challenging role, pero it's a good thing. I'm not alone. I have my friends, of course, sa CVAP, and I have Martin. Alam mo yung, it's like we're always a tandem in whatever we do. And alam mo yun, ako kasi parang I have always been leading. And Martin is parang the type of mahiyain, but he's like parang he knows what to do, pero he doesn't know how to lead. Parang he doesn't know how to gauge with people. That's parang, in the two of us, parang the strength, the weakness complements each other. Kaya we really made a good team. And aside from that, syempre yung support ng lahat. Talagang andyan. So, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity talaga. And talagang life-changing. Yun lang masasabi ko. Bye!